Hi, I'm Wayne and this is Bassador Woodworking. This is my guitar lamp. This project started the same way a bunch of my projects start, whether it be a tool restoration or a project build. I was in bed a couple of nights ago scrolling Facebook Marketplace when I stumbled upon this guitar lamp. I immediately thought that this was a really cool idea, so I went to Google to see if these were common. I found dozens of different guitar lamps, but they all had the same problem. They required either sacrificing a guitar to build it or using a guitar-shaped object instead of an actual guitar. I wanted a lamp that could be a lamp when I want it to be a lamp, and a guitar when I wanted to play guitar. I wanted the guitar part of the lamp to remain completely intact and functional. So I got to thinking about how I could do it and immediately thought about using a microphone stand as the base of the lamp, and I went to Amazon to purchase the cheapest microphone stand with a solid base along with a lamp kit. I then got to thinking of how I could mount the guitar to the stand in a non-permanent way, and was quick to find a guitar hanger that is designed to mount to a microphone stand. It was absolutely perfect. I ordered it all to be delivered next day. The parts came in the next day and I went straight into building. I was hoping that the threaded insert would be the same threading as the lamp, but they weren't even close enough to force it. So I had to cut the threaded section off of the microphone stand. This is the piece that threads into the microphone clip. It was easy enough with the Wen portaband mounted into a table. I was left with what I hoped was a deep enough metal plug to drill and tap the proper threads to hold the lamp nipple. I mounted the stand into the vise and started drilling a pilot hole. I was being careful to only grip the stand as hard as I needed to because I didn't want to mar the surface too much. I kept flowing plenty of cutting oil over the drill bit and finally made it through, so that I then stepped the hole out to its final size before switching over to a tap. Whenever I need to make sure my threads are straight, I like to use the chuck of my drill press to set the tap. You press it in and give the chuck a couple of small turns, and it's usually enough to get you started. I ran into an issue though. The metal insert started to spin inside the stand, and I could not cut threads. Anytime I turned the tap, the insert would just turn with it. I decided to drill and tap a set screw in from the side of the rod. This stopped the insert from spinning and it allowed me to cut the threads to full depth. I could then thread the lamp nipple into the microphone stand. The construction for this project was basically done at this point. Everything from here on out was just fit and finish. I cut some extra threads off the lamp to make sure everything would fit together nice and tightly and nothing would be bottoming out. I could then fish the power cable through the microphone stand as I added and installed the extensions. The cord on this lamp will shorten the taller the stand is set, but the opposite is also true, and the shorter the lamp is set, the longer the cord coming out of the lamp will be. You go over that. You go over that. First, knot it so that it can't go back through. I could then wire the lamp. I made sure to knot the wires once they were completely through the stand. This serves to stop the cord from pulling back through the stand and also to reduce any strain that could be imparted onto the electrical connections. It's extremely important to do this.
Just for safety's sake, let's turn this off. Pull you in. Alright. Cool. Worked.
And that about does it for this lamp. I'm incredibly happy with it. It looks nice, it fits into this space really well, and I can just put whatever guitar I'm currently using on the thing, and the rest of them can hang up on the wall, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter. But the guitars come off, no issues. Can play it, put it back on. And I've already played around and put every guitar on it. I need to raise it to put some of the basses on, but other than that, this thing is fantastic. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. And until next time, thank you.